Okay, are you finished draining it now? Okay, I think it's finished.
Yeah, you're supposed to drain out the oil. Didn't he say 4 quart? So I'm going to drain out the 4 quart. What's wrong with that?
Come back guys, welcome to another one. Yeah man,
Today
check it
I'm
out.
going to do an oil change on a 2015 Honda car. So there it is. Oil life 10%. The tool light is on, so stay tuned for see me recalibrate whatever the word is. See me put it back to 100%, change the oil and everything. Alright? Stay tuned. Okay, so what's going on there, wood? So the oil that it uses is OW20. So if you go to the store, you can just look up the oil you want, what the car uses, and see before you purchase it. Alright, so I'm gonna jack it up and stuff. So I put my clutch behind the wheel already. So you put your clutch there. There you go. This is the oil I'm gonna use. Yeah. Super Tech, 10,000 miles, super wear protection, full synthetic. And there you go again, OW20. Yeah. 5 quarts, so you know that is 5 quarts make a gallon. Yeah. And I use full synthetic because we do high mileage, we do like highway mileage and stuff like that, and it's a better high life, so stay a bit longer. Right, so that's it. And I use frame, extra guard, filter. This is the one I use, HP 35606. Yeah. Alright, and this is my basin to catch the aisle. So stay tuned. I'm gonna jack the car up, alright? So I'm gonna jack it up and I'm gonna put the jack angle underneath there. Alright guys, so up on this stand, you know. Up on this stand. I go underneath there. Pull out the filter, pull the bung and drain the oil, alright? Okay guys, so I'm gonna use a 3/4 socket to pull the bung, alright? So I'm gonna loosen it up.
And wifey's on the here with him, guys.
Uh-oh, guys. I got the wrong socket.
Oh my goodness. I'm laying under here and he got the wrong socket. Oh well. Such is life. Engine oil, it says.
I'll be right things now.
So guys, what you'll do for your mate? Do all kind of stuff for your mate to help them grow. And he's doing all. Behave yourself. Here.
Okay guys, 17 socket. So we use a 17.
Is it ready? You need me to go over more? Need help?
Tightening or pulling?
You need me to move? Oh.
Alright, make sure you out of the way. Pull the person forward. Make it stay just like on here because I'm going to run back. Your face out there, way?
Kinda.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna
It's
be
gonna spew a lot?
I'm gonna be shooting out.
Ooh. Oh, there you go.
So you gotta let that drain for a good while. Then after that drain, you're gonna pull the filter right here and drain the oil out of it also. So see, the oil is really brown. That could have called black.
Brown. It looked very black to me.
Yeah, so
Dirty. Dark brown.
it's a DIY project, guys. You can do it yourself. I already show you what you can use.
And I've seen women doing it too.
Yep. I'm no
So-
mechanic, but sometimes you gotta save a penny when you can. Because at the dealership it's like $44 and change, and I spend like
Not if you're doing synthetic. It's more.
yeah, that's synthetic I'm using.
No, at the dealer, if you're doing synthetic, it costs more.
Okay, so I'm just using.
You're using synthetic, babe. But if you get
Yeah, I know. You
synthetic
go to the dealership, it's more
at the
expensive.
dealer, it's more.
Yeah.
If it's regular, it's cheaper.
Yeah, so saving a few penny, I do it myself.
And they say synthetic oil is much better.
I spend like $25 for the oil and the filter.
No,
Oh.
babe, it was more than that.
So do it yourself, guys.
It was more than that. I'm telling them it's that cheap. It sure wasn't. And how do you dispose of this oil, babe?
Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this oil when I'm disposing it, I'm gonna put it back in the jug I throw the oil from, and I'm gonna bring it to one of the dealership. You can bring it to Pet Boys, or you can anywhere you are, you can bring it to one of the auto shop, and they dispose of it for you. Or if you have a container that can store it until you get a good amount, and you take it there. Whatever you choose.
Right, so do not put it in your
trash
garbage.
can.
You have to dispose of it properly so we can live long on this earth. Okay,
Yep.
guys? Alright.
So stay tuned, guys.
Alright.
See me pulling the filter and everything.
While wifey's on the hair, catching
Yeah.
every moment. Oh, Jesus. Alright, stay tuned.
Alright, guys. This is not the filter tool. I don't know. My filter tool ain't working.
So, my husband liked to do everything difficult. He knew he was going to change the oil, but he decided not to have his tools and equipment ready. So now he's saying this is not the tool, but he's going to use it. Continue, babe.
A little motivation.
I just motivated you. Oh, so that's not gonna work? Is it?
I don't know, the trend when me want people, you know, you take it from me.
Oh, so that means, guys, I should be quiet. Okay, great. In the meantime, guys, the oil stopped. So you see that little drip, just drip, drip. Basically, it's finished. Now he's trying to pull the filter. And he has the correct tool, but he just don't know where he put it. You need help? My hands are smaller. The mail return.
Need to get some room for this.
Need for me to move?
They might have to come out, yes.
Okay, guys, he's trying to pull the filter. Okay, so stay tuned because I gotta move out from under the car. Is it open yet?
Mm-hmm.
Can't really see under there because I'm not under there right now. Okay, there it goes, the filter.
Alright guys, so open the filter compartment now. I'll leak out that oil from out there. Ain't no rocket science here. Come on down.
Come on down. Whew.
The price is right.
Yeah. Woo! There it is. Okay. So then you're gonna put the new filter, put back the oil.
There's just still. Finally, pour some oil inside it from up the jug, some of the new oil before we put it back in, so the oil get to lubricate up in the filter quick. Then we should go through the engine, so it actually helps it. So now I'm placing the filter back on the sheet pad is way off.
Okay, sheet pad is here.
So here it is there. There you go, ma'am. There you go, sheet pad. Alright.
Okay, so stay tuned. Okay.
Alright guys, so be sure when you pull out the bung, you know, have to buy a separate bung or another bung when you pull it out. It may just fall inside the aisle, so you gotta search in there. Alright, luckily I found it right away. Not luckily, it's gonna be in there because you pull it out and it fall right in here. So just search in the aisle and be sure to find the bung inside.
So that's the thing that opened the oil can and closed the oil thing under the bottom, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And make sure you put back that tight and make sure you put it in before you throw any oil in there, because if you do and don't put it back and everything is gonna be on the ground, you gotta
So
be
let's
like,
see it.
okay, I'm just cleaning it up right now. There it is.
Okay, so that's what's supposed to tighten it.
Yeah, and make sure this washer is in there. See?
Okay.
Alright guys, so I'm going back in.
Okay, do you want me to show them that? Let me see if I could get under there again.
Alright guys, we still have a little bit of dripping, but some residue is gonna always be around. As long as you don't see it pouring out like goosh, I'm coming out. Alright, so
Are you tightening it?
yeah, I'm gonna put it back in now.
You just knocked the camera out there.
Yeah. Yeah, you can put the gloves on, but you don't have to afraid to get your hands dirty. That's how you make your bread. Alright, bung it in. Oh, sorry. Make sure you hold the socket firm so you don't snap the edges off the nut, because then it's gonna be a problem to get it to tight. And if you do get it to tight, it's gonna be a problem getting it back out. Alright guys, so that's it for beneath there.
So you already put in the filter and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Stay tuned, guys. So now you're pulling that to put the oil in.
Pull in the oil cap. So make sure you put it somewhere it's not gonna fall with the engine cracks and stuff. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you the right way. I'm gonna use the funnel to pour it out. You can use a funnel to pour it out, or you can just be clumsy and just throw it and lose everything. But I'm gonna use a funnel right now, so I'm just gonna show you the proper way.
You're dripping a little bit.
Alright, so
Why don't you just put it in?
that's what I'm gonna do.
You need for me to hold it?
Really? Yeah, I like you holding this for me, but
No, I'm
Right now?
saying the funnel.
yeah. You gotta just throw off a little bit first so that gush don't come out one time. If you were throwing it from the quart cans, it would be a little bit easier. Still having a little bit dripping down here.
Alright, so you want to put this on?
Sorry. You can't go down in there. There's a strainer in there.
You want to finish this first and then I'll help you clean that? My hands are killing me.
Move it.
Oh, you don't want it?
Mm-mm.
So why don't you just put a piece of cloth over it, so if it drip on the cloth?
That's what I did.
You know, ladies are always here to help.
But I did it. But thank you. There you go, guys.
I mean a big piece of cloth.
It take a little time for your hand to get firm sometimes.
See how this oil is clean and pretty.
So this is the brand I use. You can use whatever you choose. So be sure to throw the oil in the right place, alright? Don't throw the engine oil in the transmission and the transmission in the engine oil, even though we're doing engine oil. But like my wife said, freak accident do happen.
Yeah, but I don't think people are gonna do that.
Okay. Anyway, it's far away. Engine,
Exactly.
transmission.
And it's more
Lipstick is
complicated.
down there.
So I don't think people are gonna do that.
I'm just saying, I didn't say anyone gonna do it. Somebody gonna say, but he never said I should throw this one here.
There's some right there. Behind it.
And if you spill a little oil and you see some smoke when you start up, you just the oil and manifold or on the engine block, you do gonna get some smoke. So basically you clean up some of that.
So basically it's burning it off.
So don't get paranoid. Oh no, what's going on? Oh, that's something wrong.
Okay, are you finished draining it now? Okay, I think it's finished.
Yeah, you're supposed to drain out the oil. Didn't they say 4 quart? So I'm going to drain out the 4 quart. What's wrong with that? I'm draining out my 4 quarts.
Okay.
Alright guys, so
So how you know if it's full?
you take up the dipstick.
Oh.
So you know if it's full.
So I'm trying to let them know. Hello.
Hello, the dipstick.
See, people, he getting smart with me when I'm trying to make people understand what we're doing.
Hello. Oi!
Babe, you're not talking, you're just doing.
Why is 2 people gotta talk? Aren't you talking already? Alright guys, so you take your dipstick out, you clean it off. You see right here at the end of your dipstick, they got 2 holes. Normally they have full, half and whatever, so you want to bring it right up to the second hole. Right? So dig in and see what's up. Let's mukbang this oil. Don't drink it.
Mukbang the oil? No, we're not gonna mukbang.
Don't drink it. Alright, see? You're probably not gonna see it right up there now, but it's right there. But because the car is still up, so it's slanted.
So the car needs to be on a flat
level, right? You can't check oil on a ramp.
Okay. So you're teaching them a lot of stuff. So he's cleaning off all the oil where there may be a little bit of residue, so there won't be any smoke. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, hope you're having a good day when you see this video and beyond. And always remember, treat each other with kindness. Don't try to take advantage of people. Just try to be your best. And if you have to be negative, try not to be with others. Be negative to yourself. But just try to show some love.
I got 1 word, guys, for this entire year. Peace. Peace. Be peaceful. If you can speak anything out of your mouth or anything in your thoughts, let it be peaceful. Just peace. Alright?
Alright. So are we finished with the oil change?
Yeah, then we're gonna go back inside the car and recalibrate. Whatever the word is. What's the word, babe?
What?
Recalibrate.
Yes.
Recalibrate the factory settings.
The factory settings? Okay.
The oil settings to factory.
Oh, so if the light came on, you gotta fix it back.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Good.
So guys, here we said we're gonna pour the oil back in the jug. So now I'm pouring it back in. The used oil that come from the car. Alright?
And then you'll bring it to any AutoZone,
yeah, Pet Boys.
Pet Boys, anything. So they can dispose of it properly.
Alrighty then.
Okay, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so done clean him up. And we're gonna step in him, you know. And just do a little wipe off, you know. Yeah. I gotta put him back to manufacturer setting, you know. Yeah.
Alright guys, so he's taking down the car now. Remove those.
Jackson.
The jack stand and then bring it down. Simple as that. You do it for both sides. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so he's checking the oil because it's now leveled.
See? All the way up. The oil is brand new, so you ain't gonna see the color right now, but it's there.
It's where it's supposed to be, right?
Yes,
okay. And we close.
Alright guys, you go into settings. And then you go to vehicle settings. Maintenance reset. Oil change, tire rotation, air filter. We go to reset. See, it change over there. So the oil is at 100%. There it is, 100%. So that's it, guys. And also the maintenance light came off. So we're good to go again, guys. Alright, so thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and for many more videos like this, just stay tuned to the Ataflex Living and the Crazy Bunch. Yeah, man. Otherwise, /Sheepad. Yep. So.
And guys, always remember, keep the love, keep the link, and like, share, and
subscribe.
Peace.
Yeah, man. Oh, tell a friend and a friend, tell one heap of friends. See? Oi! So guys, this is what I was talking about. So if you have some oil spill on the engine and you're throwing it out, you know, you're not at the dealer doing it, so a little might catch on there on the manifold or whatever. So it's gonna heat up and it's gonna smoke. So don't worry about it. It's just a little smoke from the oil.
And it will burn off.
Yeah, it will burn off.
Okay.
Alright, peace. Out.